Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's May 22nd and it's time to do a single seed challenge update. So let's take a look at how she's going. Here's my single seed, and I didn't date this when I started it, but you can go back on the videos. And this is a grapefruit, and it's not looking like it's real happy in this pot anymore, this 1 gallon pot. It's 6 inches tall, and it's steadily growing, but it's wanting a new home. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it up to this pot here. So it'll have plenty of room. I've taken a big box store potting mix and I've added some coarse perlite to it so it has extra draining. It's going to be drainage because it's going to be in a pot for a good long while. It could go into the ground. Now what I'm going to do is I have some citrus fertilizer here, some organic. I'm going to take and put a big handful down here in the bottom of this soil, and then I'm going to put some more over here in my container for the soil that I'm going to put in here with it. Now you don't have to worry about this organic fertilizer burning it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set my pot off in here, and I'm going to put soil around it, or my mixture around the edge of it. Now while I'm doing this, I'll tell you about the single seed challenge. Now it's not too late to get involved. This is something that Scott had started few years back. It's single seed challenge. This year is 2022. Scott Head has the Black Gumbo gardening channel, and what you do is you document from the time you plant it on up to through its life. A single seed. Now I got a little ambitious this year and I decided I'd grow a grapefruit. You can grow anything. It's, you know, a turnip seed, a cabbage, a tomato, pepper, anything, a flower seed. But the idea is to take and watch that seed's life. You know, and it's not like as normal gardeners where we plant a whole bunch of seeds, a whole lot of one crop, and we don't pay attention at all. But pay attention to its life. You know, I can see that the leaves here are kind of turning. I can watch its growth compared to other plants because I'm kind of watching this one particularly good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out, and I put that around there like that so it makes it easy for me to put it in there. Now I'm going to get rid of this extra dirt that went over the top in here because I don't want that, and I'm just going to put my hand here and support it, and I'm going to try to put this in here without it falling apart. And sometimes it works out, sometimes it don't. There we go. It's dropped in there. Now we don't want to raise the soil level any, so you can see how we did that. Now that's all it is. I just got to make sure that I put my tag in here so that I know this is my single seed challenge grapefruit, and we're ready to go. But anyway, once you, and I'm going to take and water this in too. Of course, you shouldn't know that. I shouldn't have to tell you, but I better make sure that I do. But anyway, with this single seed challenge, it's not too late to start. All you have to do is document when you're picking out your seed, when you're planting it. You can go back and you can see the progress of this one. Sometimes I just give a little short update with my garden update videos, but document it and let everybody follow you. And if you want to follow some of the others that are doing this, when you do your post, in the description you put the hashtag single seed challenge 2022, and if you put that in the YouTube search, it'll bring up all the different ones of us that are taking this challenge. And it's really unique. There's a whole lot of different ones, If you fail, don't worry. There's no competition with this. If you fail, pick you out another seed and start over. But you'll understand that some seeds just don't germinate. I mean, you'll find out all kinds of things about it. But anyway, I encourage you to do that. If you want to see more of my videos or see my updates, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And as usual, happy gardening.